Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video I want to show you what's inside relay. Here you can see this 12 ampere relay. Now let's open it and then I will show you what's inside. Now friends, I will show you how it works. There is 12-volt battery. Here you can see this that magnetic field has been produced. So friend, that's all about this video. I hope you will learn something useful from me. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.